Before anyone says just get an air conditioner, there are three problems with that. Number one, wrong shaped windows, so I would be stuck with one of those portable air conditioner units that's on wheels. Number two, air conditioners in the UK are not exactly a common thing to buy. As the summers get warmer and warmer each year, yes, there are more of them being sold and there are more of them on the shelves, but the market for it isn't quite there. So a lot of air conditioners that are available are overpriced because there isn't a lot of competition. And the third problem is running an air conditioner in the UK is quite expensive because our electricity is not cheap. So, as much as I would love an air conditioner, it doesn't really make a lot of sense economically to do that. Although, summers like this, I do consider it again and again. Remember that record-breaking summer heat wave that we had a few years ago? I think it was 2019, 2020. I had an air conditioner that year because I was still living with my mother and I had a disposable income. So I bought myself a 15,000 BTU portable air conditioner. One of those ones that pumps in air as well as pumps out. So it doesn't just endlessly pull in hot air from elsewhere in the house. It's actually cooling the outside air to cool you. So I had one, and it was great. But I didn't bring it with me when I moved down south to Hastings, because at the time I was living in the East Midlands, where it got really hot that year. I didn't bring it with me because, well, the windows were the wrong shape, and it's really expensive to use an air conditioner like that. And just the windows being the wrong shape, yeah, you can get kits that allow you to plumb portable air conditioner ducting into these shaped windows. The issue there is that my tenancy agreement explicitly states that I'm not allowed to hang anything out of the window. It's part of the building's fire safety certificate, which I'm surprised it has, to be honest, because this building has the same issue that the Grenfell Tower fire had. External cladding. Yeah. So I'm living in a death trap, technically. If it catches fire, I could go down in smoke. But because of the fire safety certificate being so fragile, you're not allowed to hang anything out the window. And that includes air conditioning ducting and clothing, but like the window's not big enough for me to hang my clothes out there to dry. So as much as I would love an air conditioner, I don't really think it's possible. At least not where I live. So ceiling fans are probably the best option here. It will cost about the same as an air conditioner, but it's not going to be as effective. But at least it won't breach my tenancy agreement, which is good. Because my tenancy agreement is it's on a razor's edge anyway. I have some issues with my landlord. My landlord has a few issues with me, namely the boiler, but also the fact that I was explicitly told not to drill holes, and I drilled holes.